From the time generative AI came into market, generating text using AI became very, very easy. But it also brought another problem. Maybe take an example. If you're using ChatGPT and you are generating certain text for your blog post or your email or your newsletter, any purpose, sometimes those text sounds like very robotic. And many people can quickly identify those are AI generated. In other hand, Google and different other social media channels are also trying to detect AI generated text, and they are prioritizing the human generated text to keep the authenticity intact. In this video, I'll show you the whole process from starting your AI generated content to how can you humanize it so that it cannot be detected by Google or any other social media channel like LinkedIn or anyone else. Maybe a human is reading your email, so they will not be able to understand it is AI generated. So let me show you the process right away. Currently, I'm in ChatGPT homepage where I will just use this particular prompt that recently I visited one renowned coffee shop with my family to enjoy good coffee with some quick bites. However, our experience was not good because of the bad coffee. I want to escalate it further and I want to give a feedback. So I'm asking ChatGPT to help me drafting an email. So if I hit enter, now ChatGPT will give me a content that this is the email, and currently it's showing me two options. So if I just choose any of them, I'll choose this particular option, which is a comprehensive one, and I'll prefer this option, and this is the email it generated. Now this is the text it generated and I got it. So normally what we do, we just copy paste or we just try to remove some of the parts manually and we do it, right? Now let me show you the next option, and there is the magic. So if I copy this entire part and then I come to one tool that is AI Detector Pro. So what I'll do, I'll add the link in the description below so that you can just click on it and you can check this particular tool. So let me show you here how can you log in. So this is the homepage of the AI Detector Pro. So there are multiple different things. This particular page also talks about the capabilities of this tool, which you can explore and you can check multiple different options are available here. But what I'll do for now, I'll click on login so that I'll be able to show you these options. So once I click on login, it will ask for a few of the things. So currently I have my ID created. That's why it's showing me this email ID. I can just click on login and I can start using it. For you, first time you need to register, you can click here to register and it will take you to the registration page. And there you need to just share few of the details to get your ID created. So you can create that ID, and what I'll do, I'll go back and I'll use my existing ID and I'll click on login. So once I'll log in, I'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Simple thing, what I need to do here, I need to go to reports and there I'll be able to paste my text here. Another option is in the dashboard, if I click on new AI scan, I'll get the same option. So what I'll do, I'll paste my text here. So whatever I just copied from ChatGPT, and then I'll click on analyze. Now AI Detector Pro will analyze this text and show me that how much of it is AI generated and how I should be working on it. You can see it is showing 98% probability that this particular text was generated by AI, and it will show you line by line, paragraph by paragraph, that which part was generated by AI and how is it able to detect. So this is the report you'll be able to get from the generated text. So similar way, different other companies are also taking stand and they are prioritizing human generated content over AI generated content to maintain the authenticity. Like LinkedIn mentioned, they are deprioritizing this AI generated content. Similar way, Google is also deprioritizing AI generated contents in their search engines. Take an example, you are writing a blog using this AI generated content and there you want to fine tune it for SEO, then it will not work properly if Google is taking that kind of a stand. So now coming to the solution part, how can we get rid of it? How can we humanize it? So this option is incredible here, which this particular tool offers. One thing you can do, you can click on open with AI eraser. So it will work on the entire text and it will erase the AI part and it will humanize the text. Let me click on that. And you'll be able to see currently it is showing word by word, line by line, what other things are there. Now, if I click on this particular option, humanize the entire document, then it will work on it and it will change this entire text to a human sounding message. Now, as per this particular prompt, it can take up to 10 minutes, but it doesn't take that much. I earlier checked this particular tool for this kind of an example. It was taking lesser than a minute. Another good part is you can just close the window, and once this is done, it will also send you an email to your registered email ID that your document has been now humanized. Now I got this particular prompt that this is done. I'll click on OK. Now you can see it humanized the entire text. So this is the comparison between these two texts, right? Earlier I produced this particular text using ChatGPT, which is the right side, and the left part, this is the humanized text. I would request you to pause the video here and check which one is more like human written. And then let's come back, and there, if I now check this particular text and click on this option, that's rescan document for AI, then it will show you the report. Currently, it's mentioned that human detected. So this is one way that I humanize the entire document. But if you have a longer document where you want to do it step by step, there is another option here. Let me very quickly show you. If I just generate another content using ChatGPT, help me to write a blog post on difference between iPhone 15 and 16, which is currently hot topic right in tech industry, right? Now this is the text it's generating, and it's a long form text. And there also I'll be able to check is it AI generated or not, and then we'll be able to humanize it on step-by-step basis. I'll show you quickly once this text will get generated. Now you can see this text got generated. What I'll do, I'll just copy, I'll come to dashboard again, I'll click on new AI scan, I'll paste it here, then I'll click on OK, and then it will start scanning. It will take a bit of a time and it will generate. Now this is the one I can see. Now you can see it's 98% AI generated. Now there are multiple different paragraphs. If you have a large amount of text and you want to work step by step, maybe you are working on a thesis paper or you are writing a detailed document or report, there you will be able to do similar thing. So what I'll do, I'll select this particular part of this text. Then what I can do, I can click on suggest paragraph humanization, and then it will analyze, and then it will show you an option here that what should be the human like text you can use here. So let it generate, and then we'll be able to see. Now it is showing two things. First one is this one was your AI generated text, and here it is showing you the option that this is the humanized text. If I click on this particular option, this text will get replaced. So instead of working on the entire document, if you want to work on a specific paragraph or specific portion of your text, you will be able to use this particular option. So both ways you can work on. You can work on a whole document as a one go, one click, or if you want step by step, that also you can do. Now let me very quickly show you. AI Detector Pro also have some paid plans. The free option have certain limitations, and if you have any specific requirement for in this area, if you write blog post, email, different documents on regular basis where you take support from AI and you want to humanize that text, then you can check out this particular tool if you have any such need. They have some basic plans, unlimited plans, and both are available in monthly and yearly basis, and there are certain discounts are available on this particular website. I will add one coupon code in the description below, and it will be also visible on the screen now. Using that, you will be able to enjoy a 60% generous discount on any of the paid plans. So if you have any such requirement, you can consider subscribing to any of the paid plan also. So hopefully this video was helpful and you will be able to utilize this method to humanize your text so that it will not be detected as AI generated. So whenever we use multiple different AI tools, some of the tools are better in some of the scenarios than the others. If you want to understand which tool will work best for you for some specific scenarios, then check out this video to know everything about it.